This lesson is managing your website. In this lesson, you'll learn a few techniques you can use in Dreamweaver CC in order to prepare your site before it is published to the web. Specifically, you'll be learning how to use the Check Links Site-Wide feature to check for broken links throughout your site. Before you begin, you'll want to create a Dreamweaver site for your BB17 lessons folder. After you've defined that folder as a site, you'll want to open the document index.html. So what we'll be using is the Check Links Site-Wide feature to check for broken links within this document and the entire site. So what you'll be taking a look at in this exercise is how to use the Check Links Site-Wide feature in order to look for broken links within a site. And this is a major benefit of working with Dreamweaver. Of course, when you define a site, you specify the folder and files you'll be working with. You've already experienced the first benefit of defining a site, and that is that you can click on a file within your site to open it. Additionally, when working with files through the Files panel, if you were to edit and duplicate or rename a file, Dreamweaver will keep track of these changes and notify you when those changes affect other files. We'll take a look at how this works in a moment, but for now, let's look at how to check for broken links within our site. So in our index page here, we see that we have a navigation bar with links to many other pages throughout the site. So what we have here under the Site menu is an option to check links site-wide. So what happened here is we've run the link checker, and we can see in the bottom panel, the link checker displays there are a number of pages with broken links. And what we have here is a good news, bad news scenario. Even though we have a number of pages with broken links, the majority of these links appear to be pointing to the same page. But we still have a number of pages to deal with. Before we fix the links, one thing we'll want to take a look at is the various types of links that we can check within our link checker. From this drop-down menu, we can see we're currently looking at broken links. Other options include checking external links to make sure that they're working properly, and a third option for checking for orphaned files on the site. And as you can see, there are a number of files that show up as orphaned files. Orphaned files are simply documents that are not linked anywhere else in your site. As you can see, we have a number of MP3 and SWF files that are not linked anywhere in this site. This may be because you have not created the pages that link to them yet, or you may have found some dead weight within your site. The point is, you can identify these files and decide how to handle them. So let's go back to our broken links. So the good news is, even though we have a number of files with broken links, the fact that most of them are linking to the same file actually provides us with a relatively easy fix. If we didn't have the link checker, we would have to open each page and find and fix the broken links. We don't even have to open these pages, but if we wanted to, we could. You could just go ahead and double-click on one of the files, and then isolate and fix the broken link. However, what you're going to do here is make the fix to one of these pages, and to do that, we'll click the broken link, and then click the Browse for File button on the right-hand side. And if need be, we can click the Site Root button to return to our site root, and we can see that the file category _books CDs is missing an underscore. Our link is looking for an underscore between books and CDs, but somewhere along the line, our file was renamed without the underscore. So we can go ahead and select that file and click Open. And then when we press Enter or Return, Dreamweaver will ask us if we want to fix the remaining broken references to this file. Here we can simply click Yes. So you can see what we're left with is a single broken link in the file index.html. The current link is looking for a file called Exhibits and is missing the letter I between the H and the B. So let's go ahead and fix that one. We'll click on Exhibits, and while you could click the Browse for File button, in this case, we can make the change right in the broken link section. So let's go ahead and add an I between the H and the B and press Enter. And now our last broken link has been fixed. So as you can see, the link checker is a valuable tool in that you can check and fix multiple links at one time rather than having to go page by page. So that's it for now. In this lesson, you learned how to use Dreamweaver's broken link checker in order to look for broken links within your site. This lesson has been managing your website.